Yeah, as I told, our topic is lines and angles. Geometry starts from point. Take a plane surface. Plane surface means take your board, your paper, your wall, your home, your home walls will be in a wall, pad, whatsoever. Those are all we can take for example for plane surface. Upon this plane surface, there will be infinite points will be. That means geometry starts from point. From point only we can define line, line segments, and those are all. Generally, point we will denote by capital letter A, B, C, D, and so on. Point. And from this point, upon surface, infinite points will be joined all the points. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, those are all joined infinitely. Then one shape will form. That shape we can call as line. That means in a line there will be infinite points will be, and moreover we can extend this line both sides infinitely. So lines are generally denoted by small letters L, M, N, and so on, or we can use any 2 points on this line to represent line. For example, AB. So name of this line, total line, we can call as AB. AB, upon that one line symbol we have to show to represent line. Line AB, we can read like that. Next, same line we can call as AC line also. So symbol for this one, line AC. Same line we can call it as a BD line also. BD. Take any 2 points, keep the line symbol upon top of that 2 points that represents line. AC also same line, AB also same line, different names we are giving. BD, AK, look, A 1 point on the same line, K also 1 more point. So we can give AK, line AK. Okay, moreover, it can be extended endlessly, both sides. That's why it has no fixed length. You cannot say line is 2 centimeters only, 3 centimeters only, 4 centimeters only. No, line has no fixed length. Okay, next coming to line segment. It is a part of line. Segment means part. Line segment, that means in line some part is called line segment. Look, in this line some part I will take. EH. This is total line. In this line some part. EH. So that part is called line segment. Clearly in this line, as I told, it has no fixed length, but line segment has fixed length. We can measure E to H. How much will be? Exactly we can measure. That's why we can say it has fixed length. Line segment has fixed length, and moreover it has 2 endpoints. Those endpoints are E and H, but in line there are no endpoints. No endpoints. You can say, is there na sir A and K? No. We can extend endlessly either sides. That means points will come left side and points will come right side also. So that's why it has no endpoints. But line segment has endpoints. It has fixed length. It has 2 endpoints. It is some part of line. And how to represent this line segment? It can denotes by 2 symbols, 2 endpoints, and moreover upon that one we have to show the line segment symbol. We can read this one as line segment EH. If we shown EH, upon EH, line symbol, then it will be line. But here we are showing line segment symbol. So we can read this one as line segment EH. Okay, next one is ray. Same how we defined the line segment as it's part of line. Same as it is, ray also part of line only. But in line segment, clearly it has two endpoints. In ray, it has only one endpoint. Other side we will extend this one endlessly. Endlessly we will extend other side. For example, sun rays will be endlessly. It has starting point from sun. It travels so many kilometers. It has no end point. Torchlight, rays from torchlight. It has starting point from torch bulb, but no end point. So those are all examples for ray. It has no end point, and same like how the line has no fixed point, ray also has no fixed point. Why? Because other side we are extending endlessly. And moreover, we can denote these ray also by using two letters. Any two letters we can choose on this ray. So I have taken A and H. After writing A and H, upon this AH, we have to show the ray symbol. How we have to read this one? Ray AH. Okay. Once again, line. Line has no endpoints. We can extend endlessly either sides. We can denote by using two letters. Upon that one, line symbol. It has no fixed length, and line segment has two endpoints. It is some part of line. It has fixed length. We can represent line segment also by using two letters, but upon the two letters we have to show line segment symbol. And ray. Ray also we can show by using two symbols only, but upon these two symbols, ray symbol we have to show. And clearly how the line is not having fixed length, and ray also not having fixed length. Line is having only line is having no endpoints, ray having one endpoint, line segment having two endpoints. Now next, coming to angle. Angle means the measure of space between two rays is said to be as angle. Look, one ray I have taken. The name of that ray is OA. One more ray, OB. So two rays I have taken here, OA, ray OB. And OA and OB. OA ray and OB ray forming some space here. So in between O to OA and OB, some space here. Clearly you may see here. And measure of this space only we can call as angle. The definition is the measure of space in between two rays is said to be as angle. We can measure this angle by using degrees generally, and can denote angle by using single letter or three letters. Angle O or angle AOB, where the middle letter we will say where the angle will be. So here in AOB, middle letter is O, so angle will form at O. So once again about angle, the measure of space between two rays is said to be as angle. The space how much between these two rays, if we measure, that measurement only angle. We will measure the space by in degrees. What is this degree? We'll see. See here. One circle I drawn here. One circle. So we are going to know about degree here. That is a measure of angle. What is this degree? So I drawn here one circle. The center of the circle is O. Center it is. I divided this circle horizontally 2 parts. And next I divided this circle vertically 2 parts. Horizontally 2 parts. Vertically 2 parts. Then figure will get like this. Circle horizontally divided, vertically divided. Then here we can see 4 quadrants are formed here. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quadrants formed here. If we divide horizontally and vertically. Then after that, keep a starting point here 0. Each and every quadrant divide into 90 equal parts. That means I will take first quadrant. This is first quadrant. This quadrant divide into 90 equal parts. That means from center to point on a circle, take as one part. From center to point on a circle, take as second part. Same like that, continue dividing. Third part, fourth, fifth, sixth. So like that, one quadrant divide into 90 equal parts. That each part is said to be as degree. Degree. So next, here also see. Here also divide this quadrant into 90 equal parts. Up to here 90. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to here 90. Then after that 91, 92, 93 and so on up to 180. So second quadrant also divide into 90 equal parts. Each part is called as degree. Next, third quadrant. This one also divide into 90 equal parts. That means up to here 180. Next 181, 182, 183 and so on. 270. 90 equal parts. Here also each part is called degree. Next, fourth quadrant also divide into 90 equal parts. Each part is called degree. So here 90 parts, 90 parts, 90 parts, 90 parts. Totally 360 parts we divided here. Each part is called as degree. Okay. Now, types of angles. Based on the angle between two rays, we divided different types of angles. The first one, zero angle. Take two rays. If the angle between two rays is 0 degrees, that means if two rays which have same initial point overlap each other, then the angle between rays is 0. That means take one ray OA, take one more ray OB. Now it is OA upon that one OB overlapping. Now we cannot see any space between OA and OB here. Space not there means measurement of that space. We cannot measure that space. That's why the angle is 0 here. So now coming to definition. If two rays overlap each other, then the angle between the rays is 0 angle. And the next one is acute angle. See the definition. If the angle between two rays is in between 0 and 90 degrees, then it is called acute angle. That means here starting point 0 and here 90 degrees. That will take any one quadrant, first quadrant, 0, 90 degrees. All the measure, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on up to 89. So these are all angles are said to be as acute angles. Once again definition, if the angle between two rays is in between 0 and 90 degrees, then it is called acute angle. Then what we call if it is equals to 90 degrees? We will call it is right angle. If the angle between two rays equal to 90 degrees, then it is called right angle. If it is in between 0 and 180, acute angle. If it is equals to 90 degrees, then it is right angle. And the next one, obtuse angle. So definition, if the angle between two rays is in between 90 and 180, then it is called obtuse angle. Next, that means second quadrant. Here up to here 90 degrees, then after that 91, 92 and so on up to 180. Already I shown. That means 91, 92, 93, 94 and so on 179. These all angles are said to be as obtuse angles. Once again see the definition. If the angle between two rays is in between 90 and 180, then it is called obtuse angle. So once again, if two rays overlapped, then it is zero angle. If angle in between 0 and 90, it is acute angle. If the angle is equals to 90 degrees, then it is right angle. If the angle in between 90 and 180, it is obtuse angle. And next one is straight angle. If the angle between two rays equal to 180 degrees, if it is equals to 90, we called it is right angle. Now if it is equals to 180 degrees, see here, OA ray, OB ray. The angle between these two rays is 180 degrees. Clearly straight line it is. So that's why we call the angle now as straight angle. These two rays formed a straight line. That's why angle between these two rays is straight angle. If the angle between two rays equal to 180 degrees, then it is called straight angle. Next, reflex angle. If the angle between two rays is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, that means the angle between 180 and 360, then we can call that angle as reflex angle. See, up to here acute, and it is right, and it is obtuse, and it is straight. And now the angle greater than 180 and less than 360. So this part is called reflex angle. And next, complete angle. Complete angle. Complete. In the name only is there. Complete. If OA is one ray, one more ray will start from OA and it start rotating in anti-clockwise direction. It's completed one rotation. Then how much angle will form here? 360 degrees. Look, up to here 90, next 180, next 270 and up to here 360. Clearly there will be four quadrants I told. 90, each quadrant divided into 90 equal parts. 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. Up to here 90, 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270, 270 plus 90, 360. That means if the angle between two rays equal to 360 degrees, One ray is there, fixed ray. One more ray rotating here. It's completed one rotation. Now the angle between these two rays is one complete rotation. That means 360 degrees. Then we can call these angle as complete angle. Okay. Once again, what we discussed today. So about point. So I told geometry will start from point. We denote points by capital letters. Then if we joined infinite points, then line will form. Line has no fixed point. It can be extend endlessly. Then next, some part of line is said to be as line segment. It has two endpoints. And next, some part of line also we can say ray, but which has one endpoint. Other end endless. That is ray. And by using two rays, we can form angle. The measure of space between two rays is said to be as angle. We can measure angle by using degrees. What is degree? Clearly explained here. Once again, see, circle I have taken. Circle divided into four parts, vertically and horizontally. Each quadrant again divided into 90 equal parts. That each part is said to be as degree. And next, after that, types of angles. The space between two rays. How much will be? Upon that one, how much will be? Based on that, we divided the types of angles here. So first is zero angle. If two rays overlap each other, then nothing space will be in those two rays, then the angle is zero angle. Next, acute angle. If the angle between two rays is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0 degrees, then such type of angle is called acute angle. If the angle is equals to 90 degrees, the angle between two rays equals to 90 degrees, it is a right angle. If the angle between two rays is greater than 90 and less than 180, then that is obtuse angle. Then after that, straight angle. If the angle between two rays is equals to 180 degrees, then it is straight angle. If the angle between two rays is in between 180 and 360, then it is reflex angle. And the last one, complete angle. If the angle between two rays equal to 360 degrees, means complete one rotation, then it is called complete angle. Now some questions to you here. What is an angle? Second question, what is acute angle? When I am asking, you have to answer. First one, once again, what is an angle? Hope you answered. Second one, what is acute angle? Okay, third one, what is right angle? Next, fourth one, what is obtuse angle? Fifth one, what is straight angle? Sixth question, what is reflex angle? And the last one, what is complete angle? Okay students, along with this video I will post worksheet also. Carefully read that one, answer, and answered worksheet send me back to my number. Okay, have a good day.